Beritra's shadow swept over Atreia. Consumed by a lust for power, he ravaged the lands where the sealing stones were hidden. The Rhaean nations of Sarpan and Tiamaranta were devastated by the Dragon Lord's invasion. Despite united resistance, the Dark One swept through Catalan and Denaria, destroying the sealing stones. In an instant, countless lives disappeared as Balic forces pierced the veil of Atreia. Those who escaped looked back only to see a war-torn ruin. A wave of power swept through Elysia and Asmodee. The world cracked and shifted on the brink of collapse. As a jagged tower pierced the horizon, the oceans roared and crashed into the lands, banishing Bellaria to a watery tomb. An ancient island, finally free of Tiamat's seal, emerged from the depths. And with it, the lands of Cygnea and Enshar. With so much lost and so much still at stake, Atreia's fate is once again in your hands. Take flight and face Beritra.